Outchea. We're at the point, whatever that means. Alrighty. Heading down to the dock. Doing a boat tour today. We're on a boat, or we'll be on a boat. Eee. It's still freezing out here. 38 degrees. Hey, how come we didn't take a cart?
Oh, yeah,
That's the cart. Hey. Hui. Ay, nako.
It's okay to walk.
I overheard that guy say, "Oh, so where are you from?" She said, "China." Oh my gosh. Dami na incheck dito! Ay nako, dun sa likod. Incheck those people behind us. Chinese! Oh, we should have taken the cart. Look how far that is. Oh my gosh. We're gonna be late. So many Chinese and Indians here. It's crazy. Even in Zion, it was like that. When we went, Chinese Indians. That's all there was. All the IT guys are the ones that can be here regularly. Wow. Should have taken a scooter down this thing. What a trip. All these rocks here. You think these rocks are 180,000 years old, like in Antelope? No? That's funny. The sign says slow. Oh, well, any faster, of course, we're going to be tumbling down here. Malamig, 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 big, big.
It looks so small.
This is still part of Lake Powell, isn't it? Imagine it used to be higher, the water. Look, you could see where the water used to be. In the white. Oh, let's zoom that in there. Right there. Trip. Should have made an escalator going down here instead. Ooh, it's colder now down here. It said it was 38 degrees when we left. 38. Oh, there's the cart. Hey, why didn't you pick us up earlier? Oh, look at that. That's the little road that they go through. Looks like a Universal Studios tram tour. Oh, look at those things. Dang, those are huge. They got like a ton of them too. Wonder what peak season looks like over here. This just feels like an untapped part of Arizona to me. Ooh, it's cold down here. Oh, look, quack, quack. You know me and my ducks. Quack, quack. Quack, quack. He's looking around like, who's that? Quack, quack. Oh, there's two of them. Quack, quack. If y'all watch my videos, you know how me and the ducks get along well. Especially the ones in Lake Arrowhead. Oh, this is pretty cool. It's nice and calm, huh? Oh yeah, look where the water line used to be. Way out there. So, if you ever want to take the Antelope Canyon boat ride tour, this is where you go. Suggest taking the cart next time because we might be late now. Okay, let's see here. It is freezing down here. Holy sugar. Oh, look at that. You got the little spigots. The ambiance of a spring water rising up from the lake. Oh, quack quack. That's a baby one. Quack quack. Alrighty, here we go. Oh, we're here. Must be the captain over there or something. Guy's bored. What the heck is this? Here, check in. What? Looks like it right there. Well, here's the restaurant. Marina Village store. You can get your Lake Powell apparel. Say hi, YouTube. He's like, huh? Alrighty. She's on the boat by herself? What the heck? Wow. Grandma Betty's ice cream. Alrighty. Well, see you in a bit. Whee!